It's as frustrating as heck to know people are coming to your site and leaving without giving you any benefit whatsoever. They're consuming your bandwidth, reading the content you worked hard to create, and not buying anything or subscribing to your email list. So why does this happen, and what can you do about it? The main reason this happens is because for whatever reason, you fail to convince the visitor of the value you have to offer. Whether it's subscribing to get your free lead magnet or buying a paid product, or you just want them to click an ad, they aren't going to take action if you don't properly convince them to do so. The second reason this can happen is because the user is simply too busy at the moment to take whatever action you are asking them to take, or maybe they just don't currently have the means or the ability. For example, maybe they don't have the money to buy the product you're advertising. So what can you do? Once that visitor is gone, they're gone, right? Well, that depends, my friend. If you include a retargeting pixel on your blog, anyone who visits your blog or your website then becomes eligible for retargeting. If you put a Facebook retargeting pixel on your blog, you can then advertise on Facebook specifically to people who visited your site in the past. Now you may be screaming, why the heck would I want to pay to advertise to people who've already been to my site and didn't buy anything? Yeah, I get it, I really do. But look at it this way. The average person needs to see the same ad at least 3 times before they decide to buy anything. And remember, most of your visitors are probably new, first-time visitors. They don't know you from Adam. That means they have no real reason to trust you other than the fact that your content might be pretty good to them. By using retargeting, you can remind them you exist. In fact, they might have intended to come back later when they had more time or more money to take whatever action you wanted them to take. But until they see your ad on Facebook, they more than likely have forgotten everything about you and your site. Using retargeting allows you to reclaim that lost traffic, usually at a surprisingly affordable price, so that you have a second chance to get them to take action. Why waste all that traffic for nothing when you can get it back? You can learn more about retargeting, or remarketing as Facebook calls it, on the Facebook website. This page will show you exactly how you can take advantage of retargeting by setting up the tracking pixel on your blog so you can bring back any visitors you lose and have another chance to get them to take action. We've got a lot more to cover, so stay tuned for our next lesson in the next video.